Okay, yesterday we have seen tangent, how to find tangent equation now. Okay, next. Find the area of the triangle formed by normal at 3 comma minus 4 to the circle x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0 with axis. Now look at here. First he is asking to find area of the triangle. I will explain you what is the meaning of this. So what is the 2g value? Minus 22. 2f is minus 4. C is 25. So what is the g value? Minus 11. And what is f value? Minus 2. What is the center? Minus g comma minus f. So you got center. And what is the point he has given? Point ఏమి ఇచ్చారు సార్ 3 comma minus 4. 3 comma minus 4. Now equation of the normal formula answer y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 x minus x1, right? Y minus y1, I am taking this y1 x1 y1 x2 y2. Y1 enta sir 2 is equal to y2 minus y1 minus 4 minus 2 by x2 minus x1 11 minus 3, sorry 3 minus 11. Here y2 minus y1, so minus 4 minus 2 x2 minus x1, so 3 minus 11 into x minus x1. X1 is what sir? 2. So 11. Okay, x1 enta sir 11. This x1 y1, this x2 y2, right? Therefore y minus 2 is equal to minus 6 by minus 8 x minus 11. Minus minus cancel. 8y minus 16 is equal to 6x minus 66. Bring the term this side. 8y minus 16 minus 6x plus 66 is equal to 0. So minus 6x plus 8y plus 50 is equal to 0. Cancel with minus 2 table. 3x minus 4y minus 25 is equal to 0. This is a normal equation. We got normal equation. Now we have to rewrite this. Is equal to 25. 3x by 25 minus 4y by 25 is equal to 1. This can be written x by 25 by 3, y by minus 25 by 4 is equal to 1. Which formula it is? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. ఈ రూపంలో వచ్చింది సార్ మనకి. which is in the form of x by a plus y by b. So area of the triangle is half of modulus AB. So 1 by 2 modulus A value enta sir 25 by 3 into minus 25 by 4. So if you simplify 625 by 24. Right? So what we have done? Normal equation find out chesam sir. Up to here normal equation. Then we rewrite this. Okay, convert into x by a plus y by b. So area of the triangle half of modulus AB. Okay, please note down this. Next, find the equation of tangent and normal. Tangent, normal at 3 comma 2 to the circle x square plus y square minus x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So again he is asking both tangent, normal sir. First, what is the 2g minus 1? 2f is minus 3, c is minus 4. What is the g value? Minus 1 by 2. What is the f value? Minus 3 by 2. Okay. What is tangent equation? S1 is equal to 0. X1 y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Right? మనకు అన్ని వాల్యూస్ తెలుసు సార్. What is the x1 y1? What is the x1 y1? 3 comma 2. Therefore, x into 3 plus y into 2, g value minus 1 by 2, x plus 3 plus f is what, sir? Minus 3 by 2, y plus 2 plus c value minus 4. Multiply by 2, sir. By 2. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? 2తో క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 6x plus 4y minus 1 into x plus 3, then minus 3 into y plus 2, then multiply with 2, so minus 8 is equal to 0. So multiply by 2, so this becomes 6x. Now open the bracket. 6x plus 4y minus x minus 3, then minus 3y minus 2, minus 6, then minus 8. So what I have done, I have opened the bracket. Minus x minus 3 minus 3y minus 6 minus 8. 6x minus means 5x plus y, then minus 3 minus 6 minus, so minus 17 is equal to 0. So we got tangent equation. Okay, normal. Okay, first you have to find center. We know the form method. Center is minus g comma minus f. So 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. You call it as x1 y1. And what is the point A is given? 3 comma 2. This is x2 y2. So formula y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So y minus y1 means 3 by 2 is equal to y2 means 3 by 2 minus 2 by x2 is what, sir? 1 by 2, 3 minus 2 minus 3 by 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 into x minus x1 1 by 2. So y1 is this, sir, x1 is this, so x2, y2 is 2 and x, so 2 minus 3 by 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Y minus 3 by 2 is equal to 4 minus 3 by 2, 6 minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Y minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 5 into x minus 1 by 2. Cross multiply with 5, sir. So what will happen? 5y minus 15 by 2. 5 to multiply చేస్తాం, sir. 5y minus 15 by 2. Here x minus 1 by 2. So multiply by 2, sir. So this becomes 10y minus 15 is equal to 2x minus 1. Multiply by 2 means this will be 10, this will be 15, this will be 2x. So bring the term this side. 10y minus 15 minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 2x plus 10y minus 14 is equal to 0. Cancel with minus 2 table. X minus 5y plus 7 is equal to 0. So what we have done? First we have found out tangent equation. Next we have found out normal equation by our standard method. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Please note down this. Find the equation of tangent and normal at 1 comma 1 to the circle 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x minus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. Again tangent and normal. So circle equation ఏమి ఇచ్చారు సార్? 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x minus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. Divide by 2, sir, first. We know x square y square should be 1. Minus x minus 5 by 2y plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Now what is the 2g value? Minus 1. 2f value minus 5 by 2. C is equal to 3 by 2. What is the g value? Minus 1 by 2. What is the f value? Minus 5 by 4. You got g value, f value. What is the tangent equation? xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Now what is x1 y1? 1 comma 1. So x into 1 plus y into 1, g value minus 1 by 2 into x plus 1, f value minus 5 by 4 into y plus 1 plus c value plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So first multiply by 4 now. Why sir? Ikkada 4 unnadi sir. Ikkada 2 kante ikkada 4 undi. So multiply by 4. So what will happen? 4x plus 4y. Here multiplying by 4 means minus 2 will come. Minus 2 into x plus 1. Here multiplying by 4. Y plus 1. You are multiplying by 4 plus 6 is equal to 0. 4x plus 4y minus 2 minus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0. So ఇక్కడ multiplications are very very important. Here 4 because here 4 is there. అందుకని 4 తో multiply చేస్తాం. 4x minus 2x 2x minus y minus 2 minus 5 minus means minus 1 is equal to 0. Tangent. So normal equation, center is minus g comma minus f. What is g value? Minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 comma 5 by 4. You call it as x1 y1. And what is the point? 1 comma 1 x2 y2. Y minus y1 is equal to, right? So y minus y1, y1 means 5 by 4 is equal to y2 enta sir? 1. 1 minus 5 by 4 by 1 minus 1 by 2, x minus 1. Okay, x minus 1 by 2, sorry. So here point substitution is important sir. Now this becomes y minus 5 by 4 is equal to 4 minus 5 by 4, 2 minus 1 by 2, x minus 1 by 2. Now here simplification chala important sir. So this becomes minus 1 by 4, 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2, right? Now LCM ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటాను సార్. 4y minus 5 by 4. Here this will go to minus 1 by 2 inside LCM. What I have done? I have taken LCM inside 2x minus 1 by 2. Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled, minus 1 by 2. 2 into 2 4. That 4 will get cancelled here. So what I have done? 4y minus 5. Here 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 it becomes then x minus 1 by 2, 2x minus 1. Here 2 and 2 will come 4. That 4 will get cancelled. So what that we get? 4 minus 5y is equal to minus 2x plus 1. This simplification is very very important. This simplification చూసుకోండి సార్, most important. ఇక్కడ y minus 5 by 4. So 4y minus 5 by 4. Here minus 1 by 4 by 1 by 2. So it becomes minus 1 by 2 inside LCM. 2x minus 1 by 2. 2 into 2 4. That 4 will get cancelled. This is very very important sir. Okay, ఇక్కడ దాకా simple only value substitution చేశాను సార్. But here I am simplifying here. So what I have done? I have taken LCM here, cancellation. Now from here 4y minus 5 plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. Cancel with the 2 table. X plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Very very important sir. Many times he has given. And this simplification చూసుకోండి సార్, చాలా important. Okay, please go through this problem. Very very important. Now next one more problem. Find the equation of tangent normal at 1 comma minus 4 to the circle x square plus y square minus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so here 2g is equal to minus 4, 2f is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 12. What is the g value? Minus 2. What is the f value? Minus 3. And what is the tangent equation? S1 is equal to 0 is the tangent equation. So xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. So x into x1 y1 into ఇచ్చారు సార్, 1 comma minus 4. So x into 1 plus y into minus 4, g value minus 2 into x plus 1, f value minus 3 into y minus 4 plus c value 12. Okay, so x minus 4y minus 2x minus 2 minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 2x minus x minus 7y minus 2 plus 12 means plus 22. Okay, remove the minus sign. X plus 7y minus 22 is equal to 0. Okay, now normal equation. So what is the point? Center minus g comma minus f. What is center? Minus 2 comma minus 3 means 2 comma 3. And what is the point? 1 comma minus 4. This is x2 y2, this is x1 y1. So formula y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Therefore, put the values. Y minus 3 is equal to y2 is minus 4 minus 3 by x2 minus x1, 1 minus 2 into x minus x1. x1 is what? 2. So, y minus 3 is equal to minus 7 by minus 1, x minus 2. So, y minus 3 is equal to 7 into x minus 2. Open the bracket. Y minus 3 is equal to 7x minus 14. Here is chala simple problem, sir. There is no fractions, so directly you can use the method. So, bring the 7x this side. Y minus 7x plus 14 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 7x plus y plus 11 is equal to 0. Remove the minus sign. 7x minus y minus 11 is equal to 0. So, this is the tangent equation and normal equation. Now, remember here, observe here. I am just writing again both the equations. Observe here, very, very important. For this problem, what is the tangent equation we got? X plus 7y minus 22 is equal to 0. What is the normal equation? 7x minus y plus minus 11 is equal to 0. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి సార్, x and y coefficient. X coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 7. ఇక్కడ రివర్స్ అయింది సార్. X coefficient has become minus 7, y coefficient has become 1, plus will become minus. Because tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other. 1b లో చూసుకోండి సార్. How to get the perpendicular equation? Interchange the x and y coefficient, change the sign. అంటే interchange, 7 will come to x, x coefficient will come to y, and plus will become minus. Okay, if you observe all the problems, these two will be the same, but the coefficient will get interchanged, constants will be different, sir. దీనికి రిలేషన్ ఏముంటుంది సార్? there is no relation, specific relation ఉండదు సార్. But x coefficient, y coefficient, interchange the coefficients, change the sign. This is very, very important, sir. Observation is this. Okay, so we have seen tangent and normal equations. We have seen an area of the triangle formed by normal. So tangent and normal equations meena we have done so many problems. Generally tangent equation 2 marks istar, sir. Tangent and normal can be given for 4 marks, and area of the triangle with normal can also be given 4 marks. Tomorrow in the next video we will see length of the chord. That is very, very important. Okay.